Okay na? Okay, so welcome to our another session of Practice at 6, Alkyl Halides and Elimination Reactions for Organic Chemistry pa rin, Josh. I think last meeting we ended up with item number 23. So this one yon. So you may now answer, Josh, number 24 and number 25. So for number 24, what you need to do here is you're given with pair of reagents here. And sino yung mas reactive na nucleophile in a polar or protic solvent? Then you need to explain briefly your answer. Then for number 25, you just need to predict the products for the following reactions. If you will have multiple products, predict the major product form. Okay? Yeah. Sige, go ahead. Mukhang starting forward, ito na yung mga mix, no? Kasi di ba we've learned that E1, E2 are competing reactions for SN1 and SN2 respectively, or vice versa, lalo na kapag uh, secondary alkyl halide ang binigay, no? Parang everything is possible, no? Every mechanism is possible there. But of course, it depends on the reaction conditions with the given reagents, etc. So number 24 na tayo kasi you're done with 23. Tapos na both 24 and 25. Yeah. We can para i-club natin. Yeah, oo, you need to predict all products. Yung mga possible products. Uh, what? Ano yun? Two equivalents. Oh, equivalents. Yeah, so parang at least you'll, parang 2 moles. If you have 2 moles of sodium amide, ayan.
Dami na pala kailangan pong
Correct. Oo. Sa yan nga ang challenge diyan. Kapag mga alkyl halides, Josh, since they are this parang middle reagents, kumbaga, they can have multiple reactions. So what you need to do there is to control and tweak the reaction so that you will favor one
okey lang po.
mechanism
Hindi pa po
over the
hindi pa
others.
po ano 'to, parang
Sodium amide.
may alkaline.
I don't know.
Kaya
Hoy,
ko
naturo na natin
kailan ko
yan.
pa ba isipin nun or isa lang ano lang po, ang isang reaction lang.
Depende sa reagent. Hindi ako magbibigay ng any clue,
Ano po
but
siya,
depending
final
on
po
the
siya,
reagent.
final product.
Ha?
Final product po siya pagkatapos ng reaction.
We need to see the final products or product.
Baka may na-interpret na bang one reaction lang
Uh, yeah.
parang
You
po
need
siya.
to ano, hindi naman hiningi sa problem yung mechanism, right? Just show me the products or a product kung isa lang naman talaga. Okay. So, if you want, you can rewrite this everything, no? This A hanggang F
Kaya naman
sa
type mo.
ilalim. Yeah. Papakita mo
Kaya.
lahat ng ano ha, products if ever ha.
At
Oo, kasi
kaya
ayan
ata.
no, draw the products for each reaction. Tapos you need to identify kung multiple
Kailangan po
products siya,
kasama
kung
po yung
major.
intermediate or hindi na?
Ha?
Intermediate po.
Paano ka makakarating dun sa mismong final product mo if you will not pass through the intermediate? Kung merong intermediate So you need to
I-label ko
show
po.
the intermediate as well. Yeah. Kahit hindi mo na nga i-label, basta makikita naman natin yung nasa gitna siya. O intermediate yun definitely. Okay, I will not give any clues anymore. So you try to solve it by yourself. Our meeting will end within 10 minutes, Joshua. Just join the meeting lang, ha?
Kasama.
Okay. Hi Josh. Ayan, nagre-reload lang yung ano natin ha. Whiteboard. There you go. You may now continue answering number 25. Naririnig naman ako, Josh.
Kesa ba?
Okay, good. Sige, continue mo lang sagutan yung number 25.
Kailangan na ako.
Hmm. You can rewrite the other items sa baba so that you can have a spacious na more space for your solution.
Sir,
Yes po.
problema ako.
Ano yun? You need to go
Parang
to the
di ba po
bathroom?
dati,
Akala
di
ko.
ba? Di ba po
Ah,
may NH
ah,
nandito siya? Di ba po yung naalala ko
ah.
dati yung problem participant.
Ah, ay,
Kailangan ba siyang, kailangan ba po
I
siyang
don't know. Hindi. No need, no need. At saka ang neighboring group participation, effective yun if may yung neighboring group mo ay capable for doing coordinated bond or what. Meron ba yung possible for coordination?
baka pwede, pero kung hindi naman sinabi kung ano pa na kung
Yeah. You can proceed with the normal reactions that will have for SN1, SN2, E1, and E2. What happened?
Ano open stick?
Mm. You, Josh, you answer CDF na lang sa other under this 23 para mas malaki yung space mo if
So,
ever.
kailangan para
Anyway, kaya ko naman yung i-zoom. You done, Josh? Okay, go ahead. Sige lang. Yung sa 25 mo, Josh, na nasa ilalim, anong ano yan? Letter C? Letter? Ito, this one. Okay, sige. Go ahead. Kukuha lang ako ng ano ha, ng drinks, Josh. Naririnig naman kita.
Mary.
Back, Josh. Uh-huh. You done? Ah, you're on letter D na. Josh, we still have 5 minutes left for this meeting, ha? Just join na lang after this.
Yata ako. Can feel it. Lahat ng mga I think ito na. Ah Sana kung may inisip ako sana ako baka may lang ay so ito na lang po.
Okay, how about letter F? Ay, di pa rin pala 'to, Josh.
Ay di pa lang, wala na.
Ay, we still have a minute left, ha?
Opo,
Just
opo.
rejoin na lang, Josh. If ever
Hindi,
makat, ha?
kasi akala ko baka may assistance pero I decided
We'll
di ko
see.
po alam na ano na ako, okey wag na. Ay sa naisip ko pala po hindi mo kailangan ng
Hello.
assistance.
Ano, Josh?
O pala hindi mo for now, baka meron pero I'm okay. Ay yung I think
Open na ulit 'yan. Continue mo.
ay mag-stop. Ay, na-worry ako yung ay grabe ayaw mag-stop o mag-start hala.
Ano nangyayari?
Ayaw pa mag-stop mag-start.
Mhm. Yeah, puwedeng you can restart the device or what.
Ayun, oh. Anyway, so oh. Ayan.
Nag-aano, nagloloko
Ay,
ulit
hindi,
yung
hindi,
ano,
hindi,
writing mo.
hindi pa yung stylus mo. Pwede na po i-reshare.
Ay, sige. Wait. I'll stop sharing lang. Ayan, nag-off na ba yung board, Josh? Nawala na yung whiteboard?
Yes, aba.
Ayan, naglo-load na ulit siya on my end. Ayan, okay na. Okay na kaya, Josh? Better na.
Nag-ano na siya. Pero, may nawawala ng mga ano ko. Yun naman.
Balikan ko lang yung mga scores mo din, Josh. Tell me if you're done, Josh, mag-record na ako ng mga scores mo din.
Kaya ka ba magmamali kaya?
O hindi Number 1. Number 9.
think this is
Okay, you're done.
oops, wait lang po, wait lang po.
Sige lang, go ahead.
Mali.
60, 2.5, 70 out of 3.
Yeah, okay na. Okay na po.
Okay, sige. Wait. Let me finish lang to yun. 0.75. Hanggang 20 lang, Josh. 19, 4 out of 4. 23 out of 3. Okay. Let's start. Okay, let's have number 24. So for item 24, for item 24, Josh, we are given with the for each item we're given a pair of reagents, and then we need to decide which one is more reactive in a polar aprotic solvent, and then we need to justify. Allah, we need to justify why. Explain briefly. Naku po. Anyways, wala kang sagot
Hindi ba?
sa lahat ng
Kasi
explanation mo.
sasabihin ko
Ayun,
sana,
oh.
gagawin ko sana pong verbal. Sabihin ko na lang.
Ay, nako. O sige, check natin ha. Ay,
So, bale, yung ito lang po kasi, ano siya, basic siya, hindi siya strong base. Saka ionized.
wait. Briefly. Okay, for letter A, why is this your answer? Letter A. Yes, Josh, letter A. Josh, you still there?
Yes, aba.
O bakit letter A ang, ay sa letter A, bakit itong sagot mo? So, 0.5 ang ano. Why this? In a polar aprotic solvent. Ang tanong lang naman ay, which will be more reactive as a nucleophile, no? In a polar aprotic solvent. So for letter A, actually your answer is correct. Yung methyl amide na ion is a stronger or more reactive nucleophile than your methylamine. Bakit?
Kasi ano siya, yung, ano nga siya, yung strong base siya. Tapos, yung ano siya, yung ion.
Okay, stronger base and ionized siya. So negatively charged. For letter B, Josh. For letter B,
And then, kasi ano nga po siya. Wait lang, hindi. Ito kasi may inductive effect. Maliit.
okay, so
Tapos hindi lang inductive effect, resonance.
if that is the case, which will this will make ano to, methyl acetate. Yeah. So this acetate here, acetate lang siya, hindi methyl acetate. So yung acetate mo dito is what? More stable? Yeah, so
Ito rin
same
naman,
ba to?
abaw.
Okay, sige, tama ito. How about
Ito
this,
kasi
yung C?
mas electronegative si S, mas malaki siya, ganun. Ganun lang.
Mas electronegative si S? What's the electronegativity of sulfur versus electronegativity of oxygen?
Electronegativity.
Sige, check
I
mo.
forgot.
Sabi mo, ang
Aba.
reason mo ay mas electronegative eh. I mean, yun yung explanation mo ha, mas electronegative si oxygen
Aba.
versus sulfur.
So,
Ay,
si
mas
S
electronegative, yeah.
3.5. Si S 3.5 o 3.5. Ay, si S 2.5, 3.5 siya. S.
Si S ay 2.5.
Yes, aba.
How about O? 3.5. How about S, Josh? Anong electronegativity ni oxygen?
3.5 lang.
So, your explanation is mas electronegative si oxygen, kaya
Yes,
uh,
aba.
kaya siya yung mas what? Sige, explain mo. Because with I don't see any explanation here eh. Para at least ma-check mo lang yung item. Why is your methyl-thiol more reactive as nucleophile in polar protic solvent versus your methanol?
Kasi mas
Mas electronegative?
so
Yun yung explanation mo kanina.
mas full na yung electrons doon. So, tama.
Ni
Mas full na
methanol?
yung sa methanol pa, mas na-pull ni oxygen yung electrons doon. Therefore,
So
hindi na
therefore,
madodonate. Maigi.
mm, so due to electronegativity, because methanol is more contains a more electronegative oxygen compared to your methyl thiol. Kaya mas poor siyang nucleophile. I mean, not a better nucleophile compared to your methyl thiol. Is that the gist of your answer? Okay, yeah. Technically may point, pero alam mo, ang nucleophilicity kasi, Josh, ay mostly nakadepend dun sa basicity din. And
Size din. Pero mas basic, alam ko po mas basic si CH3SE.
so,
Sila ba?
yeah, this will be more basic. Ang pinaka-answer dito, Josh, ay, I'll give you 0.5 for this. Wala na, nalagyan na kita ng score. Pero tama, methyl thiol ang mas magiging nucleophile. Alam mo kung ano ang sagot? Larger kasi ang sulfur atom compared to your oxygen
Diba ba?
atom, which makes your...
Mas malaki pa si 8S.
Dulong-dulong mo na sinabi.
That's so sad. So, pwede.
Oo. Kasi hindi mo kasi sinulat yung sagot mo. Ayan tuloy. Hindi ko tuloy ma-check anong maayos. So with that, 0.5 ka dito. Mas malaki si sulfur. Pag mas malaki siya, it's more polarizable than oxygen atoms. The more polarizable your atom will be, the more reactive yon as nucleophile. Okay? Okay, how about letter D, Josh? Why is your answer this one? Ano to? Ito, letter D, Josh. Why is your answer
Ano ba? Yan. Ay, kasi mas malaki si P. Saka less, nga siya. Less electronegative. Diba ba?
okay. Okay. Pag mas malaki, ano bang mangyayari if it's larger? Anong effect kapag mas malaki yung atom when it comes to nucleophilicity, Josh?
Ito naman si OH, gano'n din. Eh, ano na siya, neutral. Hindi siya electrophile.
Hindi. Sa letter D pa lang tayo, Josh. Bakit
Ay,
si... Sus po. Ayan, triphenylphosphine ang napili mo.
mas malaki nga
Kasi
po
it's
si
larger.
larger siya,
If
tapos
it's larger, ano naman kung
mas
larger
mas
atom,
mas
excuse
mas
po.
weak, sige ba? Mas weak yung ano niya, mas weak yung coolness electrons.
If it's larger,
Yes, tama.
okay. Sige, I'll accept that. Pero larger atom means more polarizable, higher nucleophilicity. That's the trend. How about letter E? Letter E, Josh.
Pero nga po siya,
Okay,
technically.
good. How about
Ito
letter
rin,
F?
same din.
Okay, good. Stronger base parehas yan. Water and ammonia versus hydronium and ammonium respectively. How about letter G? How about letter G, Josh? G and H.
So yung andito sa G, negative nga siya.
Okay, good. So kung dahil negative ito, mas stronger yan. And then letter H, acetate versus hydroxide. Acetate versus hydroxide. Ay, hindi ko lang mag-off Josh ng video ha. Nag-unstable lang yung net ko. Pero mag-on kagad ako once stable na siya. Letter H, Josh. Please defend your answer for letter H.
Ito naman kasi mas malakas siyang big. Inductive effect.
Sige, sige. That's correct. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7.5 out of 8. Yan, 7.5 out of 8 ka. Okay, good. Then we'll move to number 25. For number 25, by the way, Josh, is my audio?
Tama.
Okay, good. So for letter A, we are given with this compound, no? Tapos meron kang sodium amide at two equivalents. Actually, ang major product mo dito will be an alkyne, no? So ito, correct ito. Yan yung end product mo. However, meron yung intermediates like this one. Ito. So you'll form first an alkene, correct? And then you can also have the substitution product here. Ay, hindi pala substitution product. Ah, yeah, substitution product, this one. Okay, single substitution muna. Tapos, minor. Okay, good. tama. Ang major mo yung alkyne. So, this is correct. So, 1, 2, 3. 1.5 out of 1.5. So, per item, depende dun sa intermediate tsaka dun sa mismong final product. Ay, 2 points pala ito. Sorry. So, this is 2 out of 2 ka sa letter A. Dahil nakuha mo naman yung needed na products natin. So, double check ko lang. Okay. Okay, good. And then, for letter B, we have here this compound, alkyl halide. Dalawa sila. So, ayan, ito siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. May methyl and then another methyl. And then you have here your bromine and then another bromine. You need to have may 2 equivalents ka daw ulit ng sodium amide. Josh, anong error mo dito sa final product mo na major? Ito. So, ang intermediate mo, it's either dito ka magkakaroon ng double bond, correct? So,
Yan.
tatanggal ito. So, ayan siya. Correct yan. Tapos, another one is, okay, wala ito. Another one ito, okay, correct. Or, okay, good. Ito, ayan. I'll give you 0.5, 0.5 here. Ayan. Ito, yung this one. Correct, minor ito. How about this one? Itong major mo, anong mali mo dyan? Sa letter B. Check your structure, letter B.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah, technically none. However, yan, good.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, correct.
Kinarek ko na yung
Tig po 0.25 lang naman to. Ay, nako po, ang daya talaga. Anyways, sige. Minus ano lang dito, 0.5. So, 0.05 Brad. Kasi pag 0.25 lang naman eh. So, 1, 2 points. 1.95. Yeah, 1.95 over 2. $1.95. Okay. Let's go with letter C. For letter C, we have here your phenyl ring. Wait.
Parang may nagkahan yata ako doon. Anyway.
Okay. So, for letter C, we have here your phenyl ring. Tapos, okay, may bromine ka dito. Okay, isa lang to, no? So, E2 is your major mechanism, especially with heat applied. Okay. So, with this, dito mapupunta ang double bond, correct? Or, for substitution, hydroxide. Okay. Yeah, correct. So, 1 point for this. E2 mechanism. For letter C, okay. Okay, ang intermediates mo ay either nandito yan or nandito sa internal. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2,2-dichloro. Okay, correct. Or nag-substitution siya. Tapos, ang mga possible products mo ay, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Internal siya. terminal alkyne rather. Ito yun. This from here. Aha. Bawal ka ba magkaroon ng internal alkyne dito, Josh? Correct? You can also have an alene here. Ito, for letter
I think
C,
nilagay ko ba?
kasi you still have hydrogen here, right?
Nilagay ko ba? Ayun na.
Wala. Saan? Internal alkyne.
Internal alkyne? Oo, pwede. Okay. Sige, I
Yeah,
accept that.
oo. Pwede may hydrogen
Sige
siya,
ba?
di
Sige,
ba?
sige. So, mali ako doon. May kulang.
Yeah. Di, okay lang. Yan. Dahil may hydrogen ka dyan, you can have. So, ito ang mga major products mo dyan. Ito, tsaka yung internal alkyne. But I guess dapat nga internal alkyne yung major mo. Kasi, mas, yun, mas mabilis ang niya dahil tertiary alkyne yung alkyl halide, no? Ang mabubuo natin. So, plus 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Ang kulang mo. Dahil may kulang ka, pero this one is good. Kuha mo rin to, no? Ay, mag-off lang ulit ako ng video, Josh. Baka naglalag ako sa end mo. So, 1, 2, 3. So, kulang ka lang nito. So, I'll give you 2.5 out of 3 for letter C. Wait lang. Double check natin to. 2 out of 2. Lagyan ko lang to. Then, 1.95 over 2. Tapos, 1 over 1. Then, we'll have letter D. For letter D, we're given with, yung cyclohexyl, no? Dalawang cyclohexanes dito. Tapos, connected by na may dichloro. Oh, matap, Josh?
Tama.
For this, ayan, no? Nag-ring opening to.
Tama. Ay, hindi.
Eto.
May nagalaw. May nagalaw. Paano delete?
Ayan, oh.
Kami na-delete mo.
Okay. Sige, iano mo lang. Tapos, ito, ano to? Yung mga intermediates mo, ito, oh. Chlorine, tapos methyl. Chlorine, tsaka methyl. Ito, Josh. Ayan, no?
Baka CL din. Parang may delete pa yan, kanina.
This one.
OH yan. Parang may delete mo. Hindi ko bakit. So, yun lang.
Nako.
Di ba parang hindi ko gagawin
Sige,
yung dalawa.
tatanggapin ko yung for now, ha? Tapos ito din, no? Tingnan mo. Nag-close. Ano to?
May
Nag-ring
ano pa na,
opening?
may nangyari. Parang na. Anyway.
May glitch. Ka-glitch. Ayan yata yung kanina, yung tuloy-tuloy na, no? Okay. Sige. Okay, hindi mo lang in-include dito kung sino yung major and minor products. Same with this one. Hindi mo pala na in-indicate sino yung mga major and minor. Sa the rest, nako po, wait lang, minus, okay. Dahil dyan, 2 ka na lang dito. 2 out of 3. How about dito? Pero correct, ito yan. This one at saka ito. Diol ang mabubuo. Kaso hindi mo in-indicate kung sino yung major and minor. So we'll have 1, 2, 1.5 out of the 2. So we'll have 1.5 here out of 2. How about letter E, Josh? Sa letter E, double check it lang. 3, 7. Okay. 4 chlorheptane. Tapos, etoxide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. So, ito ang intermediate mo. Okay. Isa lang pala to. Either you go
One
with
step lang pa yan.
Ayan. Sorry, Josh. Naputol yata ako. Naririnig mo na ako? Can you hear me?
Yes, ako.
Josh?
Nawala po kayo eh.
Okay. Wait lang ha. I'm going to reshare lang. Josh, join ka lang muna ulit ha. We'll extend lang ng around 5 to 10 minutes. May class ka ba ng 6 p.m. today?
Yes, aba.
Ano, physics?
Aba.
Okay, sige. Ayan. So, for letter E, tama naman parehas yung sagot mo, no? Ay, elimination tsaka substitution pa. For letter E, Josh. For letter E, Josh, sino ang major at minor?
I think ito pala si me. Kailan ba? Tama.
Correct. Dapat yung elimination product. Yeah. Elimination product ang major dyan. Tapos itong minor. Same with letter D.
Aba.
Yeah. Major po tong alkyne, tapos minor tong
Kasi nalagay ko pala yung order kasi baka para lilabel ko sana pero nakalimutan.
Yeah, hindi mo nalagyan din yung should be minor. Okay, we're good with number 25. So, I'm going to reshare lang my screen so that you can check the you can screenshot this one. Tapos, number 26. Okay. Continue screens, this one. Eto. Can you now see my screen, Josh?
Yes, aba.
Ayan. Eto, Josh. 26 to 28. Pwede mo na siyang screenshot.
Yan.
Ayun. Kaya ba to? Yan, kaya. 26 to 28. Okay na? Did you take the screenshot already?
26 to 28. Aba.
26 to 28?
Yes, aba. Saan na ba? Baba, ayun.
Okay na tayo. Yeah,
Tapos parang
26.
parang may
Okay,
lag
good.
yata po kaya ng konting
Okay.
delay.
Yeah, I'm going to reshare lang. Oo, yeah. Feeling ko nga may delay ako eh. Ah, join ka lang, Josh, ha? Okay.
Parang may yata po kaya.
Pa-paste na lang dito, Josh. Ah, pa-paste na lang, Josh, sa 26 to 20, ng 26 to 28 dito. Okay na?
Starting with the what.
Okay. So
What,
anytime
what, what,
soon,
what.
yeah. Anytime soon, this will be disconnected, ha? The meeting will be disconnected. However, please join muna, Josh. We're going to extend lang around 5 to 10 minutes, ha?
Baba.
At let's just answer 26A.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Baba. Yan.
Uh, resharing our whiteboard. Kahit yung
Better na.
sorry, Josh, nawala ulit ako. Ayan. Can you hear me, Josh?
Yes, baba.
Okay. Wait lang ha, resharing our whiteboard. There you go. Please answer kahit 26A lang, Josh. So for number 26, starting with an appropriate alkyl halide and using any other needed reagents, you can create this, no, or you can devise this. Outline synthesis of each of the following. When you have alternative possibilities exist for a synthesis,
Okay.
you should be
Ano
careful
po
to
yung ano
choose
na?
the one that gives the
Pinakamaganda
good.
pong
So
yield.
ayun nga, if you will have competing reactions, which one is better? Yeah. Which one will produce a better yield?
I think kung nandito, no, ako nandito as the owner. With ano ba, kailangan din po yung ano, yung base?
Yeah, it's up to you kung
Kung lalagay po ako ng base.
paano mo siya isi-synthesize. Basta ang goal mo lang, yeah, bahala ka. It's up to you. Ang goal lang is ma-produce mo yung letter A.
Okay.
Ah, madali. Para at least meron ka pang break time before your physics class. Just do letter A, Josh.
I think this 100% sure.
What? Kung ano siya.
No. Can I just use potassium oxide? Time to spam Tibuok on sa lahat po ng ano, lahat ng elimination. Para walang ano.
Ayan na yung ano mo, answer mo, Josh.
Ano ba? Kind of, wait lang.
Can you lay out the synthesis, Josh? Para at least we can see. 26A. Parang you can write your answer here sa baba para at least we can have a complete lang.
Nandito na lang po.
Complete set of synthesis. Sige. Pwede naman.
Yan.
Synthesis lang, no need for the mechanism.
Sabihin na po ng
Okay, nag-ito ka. Nagtibuo ka. Okay, sige. Is that your final answer? Okay na, mukhang final answer mo na siya. Let's check.
For A ba?
Naglalag ba ako, Josh?
Ay, hindi po.
Oo. Okay, pero better na.
Samat, yes.
Okay. Sige. For letter A, ayan, this is actually possible, correct, no? Na this one, if you will start with this alkyl halide, magiging ganito siya, correct, via E2.
Yes.
Hindi mo lang in-indicate, Josh, makakulang mo dito. Ayan, gaganyan ka, may arrow. Tapos E2, via E2.
Kailangan ba po yan?
Okay. Tapos, ang nakalagay lang dito, however, if you have multiple possibilities for synthesis, you should pick the one that will give you the better yield, correct? Kasi that's the instruction, right?
Yes, aba.
Tama ba ako, Josh? May question ako, Josh. Ano nga tawag dito? What type of alkyl halide is your chosen starting material?
What type of ano ba?
This one.
Primary.
Anong type ng alkyl halide?
Primary ba?
Oh, what type of alkyl halide? Primary. Pero can we start ba with a secondary alkyl halide? And then you'll end up with this one.
Yes, opo. Ito. So nga nang chinos ko po kasi baka
Sige nga,
pwede
try
siyang,
mo nga.
pwede kasi siyang sige po.
Sige, try mo. Ayan. And then you'll have tibuok pa rin. There you go. You have your bromine there. Bromine yung gusto mo eh. Okay. Mhm. That's your tibuok. Okay. Then magli-leave. Then punta ka ng maglagay ka ng arrow going to the letter A, then via E2. Okay, parang another item to. Which one is faster? The first one or the second one?
Second one.
Why?
Kasi may ba, tawag doon? Kasi may secondary is favored. So nga lang.
Okay. Anong kaso lang?
Kaso nga lang, may
Tibuok
may.
yan. Wala kang choice kundi mag-E2 talaga. Hindi yan
Tama.
magsa-substitution.
Kasi occupied na pala
Ano?
na tama. Occupied na.
Yeah, correct. Wala yan
Yun
talaga. No
sana,
option.
yung primary
Ito lang
talaga
talaga yan.
pinaka-sure. Diba ba? Kasi for sure, mag-terminal siya.
Uy, hindi. Sure din tong ano. Sure din
Kaya nga
tong
po, pero
second
it
one.
so happens nga
Secondary.
po na occupied na meeting. Diba?
Mhm. So, yun lang yung tanong ko. Which one is faster? The primary or the secondary alkyl halide? Via E2. Because both of them will proceed via E2 mechanism,
Diba
right?
ba?
Okay. So, eto. So, ayan po ang tamang sagot dyan, Josh.
Okay.
This one. So, you
Okay.
need to have a secondary alkyl halide. Anyways, pero you're correct kasi primary pa rin naman. I will proceed with this one. However, mas mabagal nga lang siya. It's not the optimized reaction. So, this is 2 points. I'll give you 1 point over 2 for 26A. Okay?
And all in on red na po. And
Ayan. Anyways, ayan, wag ka mag-alala. This is just the beginning. You may continue B and C, but I'll see you sa Wednesday na. Okay?
diba?
Para may pahinga ka muna na 15 minutes. Thank you, Josh, and I'll see you on Wednesday.
Sige ba? Bye-bye ba?
Bye-bye.
Sige ba? Bye-bye ba? Tabala ba?